I'm going to be reviewing this very special Logitech C920 webcam. This is USB, as you can see, plug and play, the easiest thing to do. I have been using this since 2018 and it is just amazing. Some information about this webcam. The C920 has a 1080p resolution with a wide field of view, so that you can see that you look great in your videos, and if you're doing how-tos or DIYs, you can really get a full view. It's easy to set up. You just plug it in and start. So if you're looking for a high quality webcam that will give you great video quality, then I highly recommend this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in, and you can just see how clear and how beautiful it is. So as you can see, I went ahead and plugged in this C920, and you can just see how clear that is, how beautiful it is. I mean, all I did was just plug it in, and my software just recognized it, and it's really great. You have the ability inside here to change color and layout, which is really fantastic. You can, as you can see, you can adjust the color to your liking. You can add saturation, take away saturation. It's really fantastic. You can make it darker or lighter. So I highly recommend this, and I hope you go ahead and purchase this wonderful webcam. So that is the Logitech C920.